कादियानियत के फितने को कोई गजंद नहीं पहुंचा है उनके गैर मुस्लिम करार दिए जाने से। वो फितना जूं का तूं पनप रहा है, जूं का तूं फैल रहा है, जूं का तूं वो अपने सरतान की जड़ें फैला रहा है हमारे माशरे में। और वैसे ये कि आलमी सतह पर उन्हें बड़ी सरपरस्ती हासिल हो गई है।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह।
My name is Mats Hamza, and I became Ahmadi for 3 months ago.
Yeah, you are just in your infancy.
Yes, and I was a Sunni Muslim for 18 years. So it's me and my wife did the bayat for 3 months ago.
There are quite a number of common things between us and Sunnis. Yes, what do you say?
Yes, my question is, how is the institution of the caliphate necessary for the reformation and the spread of Islam after the promised Messiah? And how can we help in spreading Islam, and how can we create a good relationship with the Caliph?
The first thing is that your own action has proved that there is a need for Khilafat. And Khilafat is necessary for the spread of Islam, right? This is why you have joined from Sunni sect to Ahmadiyyat, right? It was a prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ that after a dark age of 1,000 years within Muslims, the promised Messiah will appear. And he will claim as the promised Messiah and the Mahdi, the guided one. And the Holy Prophet ﷺ used the word for him. He will stand at the status of the Khilafat of the Prophet. So the Prophet Messiah ﷺ is the Khalifa of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And after that, it was also the prophecy of the Holy Prophet of Islam ﷺ that the system of Khilafat will continue to spread the message of Islam, because that is the ripe time when all the facilities are available for the spread of Islam and Ahmadiyyat. Now you can see the media and other sources are available, and the Khilafat will work on the footstep of the Prophet Messiah ﷺ, and he will further spread the message of Islam and Ahmadiyyat to all corners of the world. Then this will be an organized system. In other sects, you won't see this system. Here, under the banner of Khilafat, Ahmadiyyat is spreading the message of Islam to all the corners of the world. So this is why it is necessary, in short. Otherwise, if you don't have one leadership, you are just like a herd without a person who is looking after them. So now, under the system of Khilafat Ahmadiyya, our system is streamlined, and you are guided by one person, whom, according to our belief, Allah Ta'ala's favor is always given, and he is guided by Allah Ta'ala. This is what we believe. And whenever he deems it necessary that this should happen, then he asks the Jamaat to do it accordingly. So this is one thing. This is why there is a system of Khilafat. This is why the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that after my demise, there will be a truly guided Khilafat, Khilafat-e-Rashida. And then there will be a period of some Malukiyat, and then the Dark Age. And after that, as I have already said, the person will appear as promised Messiah and the Mahdi. That is one thing. And after, he said that Khilafat will continue. That is what we believe. That Khilafat-e-Ahmadiyya will now continue till the last day. And Allah Ta'ala will guide the Khilafat and help the Khilafat. And through the guidance of the Khilafat, the community will progress and flourish. And that is what we have been seeing nowadays. Every year, thousands and thousands of people are joining Ahmadiyyat. The one man who claimed as the promised Messiah al-Islam in a small village, now he is known almost all across the world. So this is the system through which Allah Ta'ala is helping us to spread the message of Islam. If you attach yourself with the Khilafat, and if you believe that the Prophet Messiah ﷺ was sent by Allah Ta'ala to spread the message of Islam, and if you believe that after his demise, his true Khilafat is continuing, then you should also help the Khalifa and the system of the Jamaat by learning more about Islam and spreading the message of Islam. So this is the duty of each and every Ahmadi to spread the message of Islam, because he has done a bayat, and in his bayat or her bayat, they have declared that they will help the Prophet Messiah ﷺ in spreading the message of Islam. So for that you should learn more about Islam. You should learn how to read the Holy Quran, the meaning of the Holy Quran, the commentary of the Holy Quran, and the hadiths, of course, those authentic hadiths. And of course, definitely, it is also necessary to learn more about the literature given to us by the Prophet Messiah al-Islam by reading his books. There are quite a number of books which have now been translated into English. If not Norwegian, at least you can read those books which have been translated in English. And this is how you can refresh your knowledge and even better your knowledge about Islam and Ahmadiyyat, and then spread that message. And this is how you will be the helper for the Khalifa and for the Jamaat and for the Prophet Messiah al-Islam, and ultimately for the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And of course, we shall be rightly guided people who Allah Ta'ala needed from the best of the creation, that is human being. When you are doing all these things, you will have good relation with the Khilafat.
Jazakallah.
कोई इस किस्म के बेहुदा मैसेज लेके जाए ना, तो आप देखें आपके साथ क्या होती है। हाँ जी।
अच्छा, अहमदी और मिर्ज़ाइयों के बारे में एक बात की जाती है कि इश्क़ रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अगर आपके दिल में है तो आप कभी भी इनसे कोई लेन देन नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं, ये बिल्कुल एक जज्बाती बात है। लेन देन आप सबके साथ कर सकते हैं, दिली मोहब्बत नहीं।
तो बड़ी बड़ी तंजीमें छापती हैं, अखबारों में स्टार देती हैं।
नहीं, तो प्रैक्टिकली वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं ना। आपके जो इश्क़ रसूल रखने वाले जो है वो कीड़ों वाले आपको जनाब वो जूस देते हैं, शज़ान ही आपको सही खालिस जूस देता है ना। तो मैं कीड़ों वाले मुर्दार कीड़ों वाले जूस तो नहीं घर लेके आऊंगा, शज़ान के लेके आऊंगा। बाकी जितनी चीजें वो यहूदा ने सारा की हैं वो नहीं है, सब कुछ उनके कब्जे में। इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये एक जज्बाती बात है। आप इल्मी रखें।
कादियानी का एक इल्हाम है, हम तेरी तबलीग को जमीन के किनारों तक पहुंचाएंगे। अब कादियानी कहते हैं देखो, उस वक्त मैंने कहा था जब उसे कोई नहीं जानता था, अब सब दुनिया के किनारों में उसकी तबलीग पहुंच गई, और वाकई पहुंच
निकली सदा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह।
मिल लो उदे एक इशारे दे उत्ते, असी हर दम वाते यार, असी हर दम वाते यार, असी हर दम वाते यार। शाला हसदा वसदा जींदा रे, साडे लश्कर दा सरदार, साडे लश्कर दा सरदार, साडे लश्कर दा सरदार।
ए हुस्न गुलाबा वाह
वालिया कदी साडे कोल खलो ओदे मुख दी जल मिल लो ओदे मुख दी जल मिल लो ओदे मुख दी जल मिल लो
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है